Now, if we're going to be inside a little more, we might have to be cleaning a little bit more. Do you have a go-to cleaning product that you can recommend?
I do. Let's stick with the theme of natural. I always love natural cleaners because who wants those harsh chemicals and smells in your house? But I want a product that's going to get the job done. So Rejuvenate just launched at Lowe's their All Floors Natural line, and it will tackle any surface. So whether you have stone in your house, laminate, wood, tile, it's going to attack the dirt, it's going to get it clean. Effective enough to use and get things done, but gentle enough to use every day. So if my son's playing, if my cat's walking across the floor, no problem. They use this green hybrid technology, Aubrey, so what that means is it's plant-based. A lot of natural cleaners are soap-based, and soap leaves streaks behind, which attracts more dirt, and you're cleaning more often. No thank you, right? So I love this natural cleaner from Rejuvenate because who wants to clean anymore?
Yeah, and I like that you can use it on those different surfaces that you mentioned.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.